First of all, we will open a new R script. This is our new R script where we will work and write our code and descriptions. Now we will take a step. For starting to work with the time series data in R Studio, first we will have to install some packages in R. These packages are built-in packages and help us to perform time series analysis by the use of specific codes. For installing such packages, we should have a strong internet connection. By selecting all these code lines for different 7 packages, we will copy them and will run in console. You can see the R console in below. We will copy them one by one. This is the T series package which we will copy and run in the console. Here we paste and press enter. Here this code will give an error, but because we have no internet connection, we have installed already these packages, so we will move towards to run the libraries. These are the 7 libraries for 7 packages. Before starting our analysis, we have to run these libraries. We will copy and paste in the R console and press enter. All these libraries are active now. We can perform a time series analysis. For performing time series analysis, we will import data from Excel. This data can be in any format like text based or SPSS or stata, but we will import in the Excel. Here you can see it can be Excel, SPSS, SAS or stata. It will take some time. Now we press import. Here a new sheet open with the data set. This data is not in a form of time series data, so convert first in time series, then in the time series data frame. To convert in time series, our data is annual time series data from 1990 to 2020. So we will run this command. This command comes from the time series packages for which we have run our libraries. Here data show the data set name, and it starts from 1990 and ends at 2020. The head data 1, I will give a name data 1. Data 1 head data 1 show the top data, and view data open a new sheet with data 1. We can select directly a subset from time series data, like by typing a dataset name and $, but in a time series data we can not select this. this will give us an error. But if we convert it in our time series data frame, then we can select it easily. Here we will see now you can see this give an error. Now we will convert it in time series data frame. Head data show the top rows of the data. Here you can see there is a new column with date. View data, open a new sheet with a new data set data n. Now we can select a subset data from this data set directly. Here you can see we will type a data name and then $, and it show all the data series in the data set. We can select any data series and can subset it. Here you can see you can make a subset. I will show you. Here you can see head data show the top rows of the data set. Now we can perform different analysis on this data, such as summary statistics and all other the time series analysis on the time series data. This command gives us summary of datasets for all the variables separately, but here for a combined time series plot we can run a command on time series dataset, which is plot ts and then brackets, and we type the dataset name, which is data1, and data1 is time series data, not a time series data frame. This is time series data, but if we want to create a separate time series plot for one variable from this dataset, we cannot do this on this from this dataset. So now I will tell you. You can see this will create a mess, not good. I can see it by running a command. This is CO2e underscore gas is a variable name in this dataset data1, which is time series data. You can see this will give an error. For this we can use original data with the name of data, and we will create a new subset of dataset, which is CO2e1. Then I put $ and select the data series name and press enter. So Here a new data set is created. Now we will convert it in time series data and plot TS. We'll plot its graph separately. We can also plot a time series plot with chart series. This command comes from the quant mode package, and chart series will give a good looking graph, good looking chart. Here we can search offline help in RStudio related any package, like we will search here a T series package in the help. There is a lot of functions in the time series package which we can use for our time series data analysis. This is T series package. Time series a separate package. You can see there is a function for ARDL, Serima, Harima, and time series plots, and a lot of functions which we can use for our data analysis. At the end we will learn that how we can save this R script file in our laptop with the name along with all this code. We will click on save current. We'll select the path and give it name. Now you can see this file is saved in our folder. We can save an additional information in this R script just by typing a new information and click on the save button. Now I will click on save button. Here you can see there is a one R script file saved in our folder. Now we will discuss further topics in next lecture. Thanks for watching.